smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Everybody is up. 6 o'clock.
Good morning. Good morning. What do you want this morning?
It's the early morning rush. Not even 7 o'clock, and most people are going. So this is what you get. Little tickets to one of the 3 restaurants in the complex. Beginning of day 2. We have as much energy as those. Very tall pines.
You go with 3, 2, 1. Okay.
There you go. Route of Hemingway. But a succession of pilgrims going through the village. Over a lovely bridge. Fantastic ford. But over we go. Good morning, day 2. So, most people are stopping in Zubiri, which is about 14 miles or so. We're pushing on a little bit beyond that just because there wasn't the accommodation. But it's due to be a cool day today and probably some rain. But yeah, good start. Let's see where the day takes us. Coming through a farm, and this one has got lots of little ones. They're making the path easy for you. What a lovely view. Look at that rock formation. Another tiny bridge. The first little up for the day. But we're inside this beautiful wooded area. Another water source. How beautiful. There go our Irish friends. We're actually going to stay in the same place with them later. Two sharp little hills, and you come out into this rather beautiful ridge. There's a gate. Oh, it's open. Duh. In the middle of the path, you suddenly get this concreted area. Ooh. I think I should have gone the other way. This would be very slippery. Aha! Fast flowing. Wonderful. Oh, a stop off point for food. Oh, am I tempted? Am I tempted? Slightly rougher path, but still very doable. About 7 kilometers from Zubiri, so it's only 10:30 in the morning. We'll be there for lunch. I think we're on a cycle route. Today's the day for cyclists. Another food stop. Will I? Won't I? Oh, I just don't know. The start of the descent into Zubiri, which is where you're warned about the rocks on the way down. So we'll see. That's nice. But you just walk to the side and you miss it all. If it was raining, then these rocks would be wet. But if it's dry as it is now, yeah, they're rocks, but it's a lot easier. Last little bit through the forest before we drop into Zubiri. This is Zubiri, and we just popped over the bridge, get something to eat. And now we're back over the bridge and then 5 kilometers on. Bridges for pilgrims. The path takes you right beside the aluminium smelting plant and its huge slag heap. Just a bit of road walking beside the plant. Oh, telling it as it is for a cyclist. Oh, I don't know what I prefer. Another path. Little geese into a tunnel. Here we are coming into Larrasoana, Now we just got to find our accommodation now. This is our room, and there are 6 beds in here. So we've taken that bunk. Just some washing. This is common for every albergue. Leave your shoes and walking sticks outside. So here's where you can leave your sticks and your shoes. There's a nice mural on the way in. And then you go in and register. We got it just in time. It is pouring down, thunder and lightning.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.